Mag-ready lang, readyhan ko lang itong akong asawa, no? Unsa man ni? Mura magnay botilya. Unsa man ni? Pangita ko daw nito na. Wala, unsa ni, Han? What is this? Come on, look at this. I found something in there. Is this salt? Salt or a glass? Oh my God, this is dangerous for you.
Glass?
Yes.
Hold on. Come on, you.
Hello, uy. Ah. Oh, there's another one. Holy cow. Hala.
Really? I'm not carrying a dish.
Hala, there's more. What the heck? This is salt or what? This is impossible. I'm using my hand, but my hand is clean. Look, I found that when I open it, look, oh. Is that salt or glass?
Oh, it's plastic, actually.
Oh my goodness. Look, oh, look. I found more. Oh, look, look.
It's not really good.
Oh my God, look, Han, oh. It's attached to that thing, oh. Is this a fake tuna? Oh my God.
Good question.
Only this one.
That's Kirkland? Oh, Chicken FC.
Yeah, I think they're all the same thing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me open it because... Oh, this is crazy, Han. Han, there's the big... Oh, look at the big one. You can tell, oh. Hindi the big one. Ano to? Ano to nakita? Uy, may nakita ako sa tuna. I don't want my husband to eat this if this is the case because it's gonna be not melting in your intestine.
Put the pieces that you find in here.
Okay, here. There's more in there. Now I'm gonna do it individual. Seriously, Han. Oh, look, there's more. Oh, you really cannot tell because it went attached to the freaking thing when it flaked.
That's solid plastic. It's not like anything that like mushes or nothing. It's solid hard.
Hala, there's more. Oh.
They can kill people with tuna fish now.
Hala, Han, look. Oh, and it really does in the meat, honey, mixing. Oh, I put already in there.
Point the can to the camera.
Look at this, guys. Oh, this. Oh.
Point the label.
Hala, may mga plastic sa loob. Ang dami. Hala, uy, nakakashock. Han, I won't let you eat this, Han. I rather like open a new one. Hala, uy, nagmix. Nagmix good siya. Nagmix good siya sa ano. It's not salt, Han, right?
No.
Han?
What?
Are you hugas your kamay?
Huh?
Kita kami dito, nilagay namin dito. You heard that? Different sizes. What happened, Rox? Kaya paminsan talaga mag-ano tayo, mag-careful. Ito lang siya, guys. Something wrong. Baby, bye baby.
So it works.
So how you can go to Jersey like that if you go to the Manhattan?
We'll stop in Jersey first. It's taking a long way to Manhattan.
Really?
Yeah.
Why you let him do that to you?
He's got problems.
Ang gani mister, ay, ginoo ko, sakit yan. Parang kada lihok niya, iyang tuyok, sakit. Yung likod. Umbot na lang yun, saon niya ni pagtrabaho kung yun ani na lang.
What little one?
Kada lihok ago, ay. Hindi pala pwede ma-open. Anyway. So, ngayon, pasensya na kayo sa buhok ko kasi kagigising ko lang. And, minaawa ako kay Tami. Wala akong magawa, guys, kasi gusto niya magtrabaho. Where do you want this? Can you get the food bag? You get the food. Okay. Why is it heavy?
It's got a water bottle in it.
Okay. So, kailangan lang siyang may tubig. Oh God. Tubig at pagkain. Gumawa kasi siya ng pagkain kahapon, no? And, yan. Naawa ako, guys, kasi tinawagan siya. May trabaho siya ngayon sa city ba? And then, tinawagan siya kagabi na kailangan mag-ano daw siya doon. I really don't like this guy, honey.
Okay.
Han, seriously, call you in the night and tells you to go to the Jersey. Seriously? Even though you have to walk to the city. Is there the whole thing?
You what?
Can you get the tissue paper with that?
I got it. No, what are you putting that in there for?
And where is your sandwich? Put it on top. I love you. You're wearing all black. You know you're gonna be hot.
Yeah, I'm gonna take the vest off later. It's gonna be a chilly today. It says it's not hot though.
Is it?
So that's what it says.
I love you. Can you please drive careful, Han? Careful, Han.
Jersey.
Jersey. Just careful drive, okay? And I love you.
Yeah. I'll talk to you later.
Kaluoy sa kong bana, Jud. Looy, kaayo. So, tulog lang ako balik, guys.
Yeah.
Happy anniversary lang.
Hang on. Happy anniversary. Ay, ay, ay. Love you too. That time of day.
This is my gift, even though we're in pain. We're the pain couple. Yun na nga, no, anniversary namin, pero si Mr. kailangan magtrabaho. Sinabihan ko siya, anniversary natin, trabaho ka pa rin. Trabaho daw siya, oy, kasi naka-oo na daw siya, kasi nag-off daw siya sa birthday ko. O, okay lang. O, yun guys, hindi okay yung pakiramdam ko dito, no, pero ang ginawa ko is talagang gusto kong kumain para naman hindi ako lalong magluya-luya ang atong katawan or magluya ba, basta magluya. So yun, hinugasan ko na yung aking mga ginamitan and sabi ko gusto kong magkape kasi tea pala yan, mag-tea. Gusto kong mag-tea kasi yung pakiramdam ko talaga parang kakaiba, parang mahimatay talaga ako. So yun nga. So sabi ko pagkatapos kong mag-tea, yung katawan ko gusto ko lagyan ng gulay. Alam na kasi puro na lang tayo karne. Ko. So yun, nag-broccoli tayo. Maganda pala ang tea at saka gulay, guys. Kakainom ko lang ng tea and sobrang sakit yung dito ko, At saka yung pressure ng ko mata at saka ulo, yung may pressure ba na sobrang sakit. Inom ulit ako ng tea kasi para siyang nakatulong siya dito na area. Nag-inom ng tubig kanina, parang walang nangyayari. Parang mas lalo siyang sumakit kasi parang yung tubig is hindi siya mainit. Parang maginaw-ginaw ang tubig. So parang hindi siya nakatulong. Pag inom ko ng tea na mainit-init, parang nag-is yung sakit konti. Pero mafe-feel ko pa rin may cramps, pero hindi yung talagang grabe kasakit. So yun guys, ang ginawa ko lang dito is binuel ko lang siya ng mga ilang minuto. Yung ayaw kong maging most crunchy pa rin yun siya. Oil at saka limon, paminta at asin lang yung ginawa ko. Yung nilagay ko pala, hindi ginawa. But anyway, so yun lang siya guys. Hindi ko na siya nilagyan ng vinegar kasi okay na yung lemon. Kung yun kayong calamansi or lemon juice or lime, yun okay na yan siya, asin. At saka yan guys, yung masarap pala talaga kapag may gulay no, hindi mabigat sa tiyan, lalo na kapag kunting rice. Tinapos ko lang yung aking leftover na galing sa aming date ni Dana, double date kasama yung kapatid ni Tamit Pinsan. Yarn. So yun guys, proud na proud ako ngayong araw. Usually kapag meron ako mga naramdaman like ngayon, hindi talaga ako nag-take. Usually mag-take ako ng Aleve na mga, I think mga 2 sa isang araw. Kasi kapag sobrang sakit talaga. Pero ngayon tinitiis ko yung sakit. Grabe, tinitiis ko yung sakit ng ulo. Meron pa. Pero after nag-take ako ng tea kanina, nahimasmasan konti yung aking puson, sakit. Yung cramps ko, nahimasmasan konti. Pero of course, meron pa rin, pero hindi ganun kalala.